My educational court case was the Owasso Independent School District versus Falvo regarding the question, should peer grading be allowed in schools? Before we can get into what this court case actually involves, we first need to understand what the FERPA or FERPA is. This is the Family Educational Rights and Privacy Act of 1974. What it established was that students have the right to look at their own education records as well as having some control over the release of their education records. It also means that parents have rights as well. In general, written consent is required in order to release the educational records of their own student. So regarding FERPA, a woman named Krista J. Falvo sued the Owasso School District. She was a mom of a student and she claimed that peer grading embarrasses the students and that peer grading violates the privacy bounds of FERPA. The Owasso School District also had an argument. They made their case basically off the definition of what educational records are as put by FERPA. FERPA states that the educational records are records that are files, documents, and other materials which contain information directly related to a student and are maintained by an educational agency or institution or by a person acting for such agency or institution. The Owasso School District felt that homework and tests did not fall into this category, therefore, peer grading has to be acceptable by FERPA. The decision that was made by the court regarding the question, does peer grading violate FERPA? Well, the jury came to a unanimous vote of no, it didn't. They said that tests and homework don't qualify as educational records, and they aren't educational records until they are collected by the teacher. They also said each student grader, by grading assignments, did not constitute a person acting for an educational institution within FERPA.